Welcome back, you gorgeous weirdos. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I'm so glad you're here. So, I did a short a little bit ago using transfer foils, and y'all loved it. So, I figured let me do a full length video on exactly how to use transfer foils to make some no nail art nail art. I also had a good amount of comments saying they can never get their transfer foils to work. So, I'm going to show you my kind of method. It's not my method. Nothing is mine. I'm just here showing you what I'm doing. But the method that works for me with transfer foils. These are just from Amazon. I'll leave them linked down below, along with the foil gel glue that I'm going to be using and the gel polish. You can do this over dip powder, you can put them over your natural nail, whatever you want to do, but it's just easiest for me to show you over gel polish. It's the quickest application for me, so that's what we're going to do. I'm going to start by getting my foils ready. I'm going to cut out kind of and get an idea for the placement I want to do for each nail. I'm doing a full moment, a full beat, a full manicure using these foils because they are just so stinking cute. I am literally obsessed. I'll leave a photo somewhere of the last one that I did. Oh my gosh, these foils are beautiful. It comes with so many. I don't remember how much it was. I couldn't have been that much, but it comes with so many Halloween foils. So if you're still looking for a Halloween manicure or any seasonal manicure for that matter, check out foils. They are so good for non-nail art, nail art. I'm going to use these press-ons. They are from BT Art Box. They are the medium almond in the like peachy tone-ish. And I'm going in with this brown gel polish from D&D. It's called Spiced Brown, I think. It's either spiced oak or spiced brown. I don't know. It'll be linked down below. Just wanted something in the event that I don't have a full transfer. If there's like a little piece that's missing or didn't stick down the right way for the transfer foils, at least it won't be showing a peachy color, underneath the foil. So whatever color might coordinate with your foils, go ahead and put that down. Again, you can use a dip, builder gel, rubber base, whatever. This needed to be mixed up something terribly, so I just went ahead and gave that a good roll, and now it's looking much better. That's how often I use gel polish. Not so much these days. Not this one, at least. This is a first for me. This might have been a first for me using this polish color. Super pretty though, like perfect fall brown. So I'm going to go ahead and do a full coat, cure that for 30 seconds. I'm going to do a second coat super quick, cure that for 30 seconds, and don't go anywhere because we're getting right into the foil after that. So I got the 2 coats of polish cured, and now we're ready to get into the foils. So I am using McCart foil glue gel. It is gel. It does need to be cured in the same lamp as gel polish. You can use, there is a non-gel version. I haven't really played with it, so if you have, comment down below. This is the good stuff though. So here's my game plan for this. Listen, pay attention, because this is how I get it to stay like perfect every time. I'm putting on I don't want to say generous, but it's not like a super thin coat. It's like like you would apply a gel base coat, I guess. I don't know. But I'm covering the entire nail. I'm making sure to wrap the edges because I want to make sure this sticks everywhere. Once I have that fully covered, I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds. full minute in the lamp. When that comes out, I am going to fan it off. I am going to fan it off and let it cool for a whole minute. I'm not going to make you sit here and watch me fan this for a whole minute, but I am going to fan it for an entire minute. You need to make sure this cools off. I find this step imperative. Once it is cooled off for a whole minute, now we can apply the foil. Put it down exactly where you want it, because once you put it down, you can't move it. Just figure out your placement, put it down, and then we're going to rub the crap out of it. You heard, we're rubbing the crap out of this. I'm going to focus mostly around the edges, getting that really nice and rubbed in. I mean, I'm being aggressive. Like, if you have anger issues, if someone pissed you off recently, this is the manicure you want to do, because you can take out all your frustrations on these foils. You're not going to hurt anything. You're not going to hurt anything. You're not going to damage the nail. You're not going to damage the foil. Just rub it in there. Rub the crap out of these foils. I'm using my nail. You can use a tool if you want to, like a cuticle pusher or one of those silicone tools, but I find my nail works the best. And my nails are little noblets at the moment. I don't have long nails right now. So use something. I recommend using your thumbnail, but use something to really rub that in. You can start peeling it back a little at a time. And if it's still not sticking to the nail, put it back, keep rubbing it. Do this slowly, step by step, section by section. You really want to rub this in there, or it's not going to transfer correctly. This is probably where you're missing getting this transfer foil to stick, is not rubbing the crap out of this. It is a process, but I find it worth it if you want your transfer foil to be completely full coverage. And is mine? No, it's like 98% full coverage, but it's not perfect. And it doesn't need to be, because we put that base coat down and you're never even going to notice it when it's on the nail. Once you have that completely rubbed in, you've rubbed the crap out of it. Now you're going to want to seal in this foil so it doesn't move, doesn't go anywhere, doesn't chip. I like to do this with a gel base coat, cure it for 30 seconds, and then you can top coat. I love a matte top coat over these foils. I don't know what it is. That's my preference. If you want to go glossy, go glossy. But I'm going to do the gel base coat, cure it for 30. Then I'm going to do my matte gel top coat, and I'll cure it for 60. So here is that nail finished, and see what I'm saying about the matte? I don't know what it is. And I get it. If you're not into matte nails, if you love glossy everything, do glossy. No one's going to care. They're your nails. You're the only one that has to matter. So go glossy. But I did matte and I'm loving it. So what I'm going to do now, same exact thing, but I know that some people are more visual learners and I can be distracting with my yap. So I'm going to let you watch in silence. I'm going to do another nail. I'll finish the rest of them off camera, and then you guys will get to see the finished look installed. I can't wait for you to see this. if you're still here, hi, and I appreciate you. Leave a pumpkin emoji down in the comment section so I know who's watching my whole video. This is the finished look. I cannot with this set. It is so stinking cute. With gels, okay. Even if you're using a non-wipe top coat, glossy, matte, whatever, you still want to make sure you're wiping everything down to make sure there is no potential allergens sitting on these nails when you put them on. Nobody wants contact dermatitis or a gel allergy. I do, when I go to apply them, I wipe the underside down as well because I don't want any uncured gel touching my skin. I'm not having it. So I'm just going to wipe them down with a little bit of alcohol, and I'm going to go ahead and get these on. I'm going to use the adhesive tabs. I get a lot of questions about that too. I just use adhesive tabs. I use the same tabs to put them on my nails and on the nail stand in case you were curious about that. But this is the finished look. I am literally obsessed. You guys will have to let me know what you think. Thank you guys so much for spending some of your day with me today. I hope the rest of your day is as beautiful as you are, and I will catch you in the next one. Love you. Bye.